Tibetan master strongly emphasized that everybody on the 21st of December start reading about new group of world servers and do special meditation to bring changes in the world. See, discipleship in the ancient time were always receivers. God give us, God give us, God give us. But in the New Age, discipleship is different. Discipleship works for the plan, for the hierarchy, for humanity, for great forces of the nature, to change the psychology and consciousness of humanity. So if you start these meditations, which we started yesterday, today is the second day, you will see that something is changing in your consciousness. New Age discipleship must change their consciousness. Because unless we change our consciousness, we cannot introduce changes in the world affairs. Now, Tibetan master speaking about new group of world servers says something very, very important, and I wanted you to know about it. It's written 60 years ago, exactly 60 years ago. And it is written in the volume 2nd, Psychology of the Race, page 655. What he says is this. This group, the group of the new group of world servers, will provide an international group made up of intelligent men and women of goodwill, which must inevitably control world destiny and bring about world peace, and thus organize, listen very carefully, the new world order. 60 years ago. They will do this without the use of the old political machines. The violent propaganda and the organized force, which are characteristics of the old order. Their method is method of education and economic interdependence. You can see already the sunrise of these ideas. It's slowly penetrating into the consciousness of humanity, that using the force will not lead humanity into its destiny, but only through education and through economic interdependence. It's so beautiful. You can see also ideas and plans of economic interdependence in Russia, in Europe, and many places. The ideas are cooking. What really they are attempting to do is to awaken an aspect of human nature which is always present, but which has hitherto been subordinated to selfish or ambitious ends. And what is that nature? Human beings are innately kind. And that's not was used, the kindness of the heart that humanity has. Instead of bringing that kindness out, that beauty out into manifestation, we used force and organized butchery so that we bring people into their senses. But the greatest education is to bring that kindness out of human beings. And it is very interesting. New psychology started to understand that most of our sicknesses are the result of keeping that kindness under pressure and not letting it to manifest itself. Immediately you start to manifest kindness, you will see healing process going on in your mental, emotional, and physical nature.